In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group chat in Slack. Slack is an incredibly powerful tool for team communication, and setting up a group chat can help streamline your discussions, whether for specific projects, topics, or team updates. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to get your group chat up and running. Let's dive right in. First off, open your Slack application or navigate to Slack's website on your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your workspace's homepage. This serves as your main hub for all your Slack interactions. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see various sections such as your channels, direct messages, and any apps you've integrated. Now, to kick off a group chat, find and click on the Start a Group Conversation by Topic option. This feature lets you gather a few people for a focused discussion. Ideal for when you have multiple attendees but don't want to broadcast your conversation to a whole channel. Clicking this option will prompt a pop-up or a new screen, depending on your view settings. Once you're on that screen, you'll need to click Next to proceed. It's a quick interim step, making sure that you're set on creating a group conversation. At this stage, it's important to think ahead about what you'll name the group. A descriptive name will help others quickly understand the purpose of this chat, and can be as specific or as general as you like. Good naming can save you and your team time and helps keep everything organized. Next, you'll be prompted to type in a chat name. Keep it concise and reflective of the group's purpose. Names like Project a Design Team or Marketing Weekly Sync can set clear expectations right from the start. As you decide on a name, it's a good idea to consider what's most relevant to your collaborators. Once you've settled on an appropriate name for your group chat, go ahead and click on Create. At this juncture, Slack sets up your newly named group and preps it for messaging. Everyone included in the group will be notified, allowing them to jump in and start engaging in the conversation whenever they're ready. And just like that, you've created a group chat in Slack. This approach is excellent for collaborating on specialized tasks without getting lost in the noise of larger channels or cluttering up or distracting from unrelated tasks. If you need a group-focused workspace, utilizing Slack's group chat feature allows you and your teammates to communicate more effectively. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure that your team remains organized and connected. Remember, the key to effective communication in Slack is clarity and conciseness, making it easier for everyone to stay informed and on track with their tasks. Thanks for watching our tutorial, and happy chatting on